Alright guys, morning. My day at work, but I wanted to take like a 5 or 10 minutes to kind of explain the application process for the reverse income tax money because my sister went in the comment to ask me over apply fees. Me want to be the one for telling you because I see some people on TikTok I say, oh, DM me for assistance to apply for the reverse. Guys, you don't need for DM nobody for something because I don't know, I just feel like when they DM them, I'm going to tell them for like give them a $2,000 or something for do it. Don't do it. Don't pay anybody for do that because the truth is if you're not eligible, you're just not eligible. Because the thing about it is, me call it free money. I know I'm going to do that video already. But me I do it over because I didn't want to demonstrate like on a phone or something how to do it. So they can actually see what me I do. So the thing about it is I call it free money, but it's not free money. It is a reverse on income tax that you've been paying over the years. So you get back a little part of the money, them give back a little 20 grand out of the whole of the tax when you pay for how much years they are work. So the fact is if you've never been in a job where income tax was being drawn out of your pay or any form of tax was being drawn out of your pay, you're not going to be eligible for it. So if you try it, you go through the whole process and then tell you that you're not eligible, no matter what they tell you about to give them $2,000 or something and them are going to do it for you. Because if you've never paid tax, you're just not going to be able to get it. There's no way to go around that. So I'm a co-worker, she just asked me to sign up fees. So I just borrow her phone. So I say I'm going to show you the whole process. Like, I couldn't actually see what I do because in the last video I feel like I wasn't explaining properly. So I'm going to show you this time so that no confusion can in it. So our phone locked, she out the door still gas. So when time she come in, when she come in and she won't buy the phone, we start the process and make her get fifty. Morning. I might come home your phone for me, let me use it demonstrate. I just sit me I do but I want just see. What is that? What am I doing? Alright, but it already already load, but me I go back. So I see you're supposed to type in www.jamaicatax.gov.jm. So that me I put in. But just gonna type it in and that link is supposed to take you directly to the website. Oh god, am I gonna I'm in there now, come out. See the link there? Jamaicatax.gov.jm. When you press that or type it in, it's supposed to take you directly to the Tax Administration of Jamaica website, to them official website. Once you're there, make it load. When it load, I'm going to show you. It is pretty straightforward. This is the website, right? And you see this right here, so where there? You see this little blue one? It's a reverse income tax credit. So you just press that, and once you press that, it's going to take you to a page where say you have to either check the status. See the page, yeah? This is the page where you take you to. So from here, you can check the status of one application where you did already make, or you can apply from scratch. You're going to click the part where say apply. Now, I don't know why the government made the next step like a little bit confusing because them ask you a question. Is your total taxable pay or statutory income less than $3 million per annum for year 2023? You're supposed to click yes. Because like at the next, that is the other condition of it. So just press yes on mine and then fill out it. That is the other condition of it. You need to be making less than $3 million a year, which in my opinion, I feel like most of Jamaica is. I don't know if I choose me broke. I don't know if I choose me broke, me think so everybody broke like me. But you need to be making less than $3 million for the year. So when I'm asking that question, you press yes. If you press no, you are not going to get through. Press yes. Once you press yes now, everything else is pretty straightforward. It's going to bring you to one field where you ask you for like your name, your TRN number. The only tricky part to it, what I want to just clarify is they're going to ask you for your phone number, contact number, and they're going to ask you for your email address. Make sure so the email address we are give them is one that you have access to. Because once you put in the number and the email address, they're going to tell you to verify one of them. Do not use your phone number. When they tell you they're going to verify one, make them verify your email, because if you tell them about the phone and they're going to tell us it not work. So once you put in the email, press verify email. You are going to need to come out of the page, come out of the website page. So make sure you just click your home button so that you still have the website in the background, so you don't have to start all over. Your home button is usually the button in the middle. See, that's my one. Yeah, I guess it's my one. Your home button is usually the button in the middle. Down at the bottom where you see them three buttons there is usually the button in the middle. Or if I use an iPhone, you just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and it's supposed to take you home. It's supposed to take you home from there. Once you go home, you're going to go in your email, Gmail, or anything. 1019. Okay. Yeah. One. Wait for your receipt. You're welcome. From there now, from your reach, sorry about that, so I don't know how work me there. So from your reach home now, you need to go into your email. Most people use Gmail, going at Gmail on your phone. They sent you a number. So you need to go in there, memorize the number, then go back to the website. So it is usually same place down at the bottom with the three button them there. You see one with three little stroke or one little square. Press that one. Slide over a little bit. You're supposed to see the website where it in a going there. So I'm putting the number where them just sent your email. That will verify your email. From there you just press next. So go take you to one field now where them ask you how you want the money to be deposited to you. If you have a JN account, you can get it sent directly to your JN account. Me did make them. Me did make them send mine a MoneyGram. So if you want to watch the video I post yesterday, I go on MoneyGram yesterday, they go pick it up. They take $125 out of it and give me $19,885. Depending on what you choose, I think if you choose to go straight to your account, you don't pay a fee. So them do JN Bank and them do NCB. But you don't know what NCB, I now make it go to my NCB account. And I don't have no JN account. So I just pick MoneyGram. And that's it. Once you go through that part, that section where you put in how you want to be paid, account information or whatever, you just press submit and they will make you know right then and there if you're eligible, if you're going to get it. If you're eligible, it takes like a month to come through. So if it say you're eligible and you wonder, oh, you can't get a call or get an email or get a text, it's because it takes a month. 1 month ago, I applied for mine and I just pick it up. Like last week Friday, them email me and say I can pick it up. Then me just have to wait 2 to 3 business days before me attempt to collect it. But yeah, so if you go through that whole process and they tell you that you're not eligible because them ask you for your TRN to check out your tax information over the years. If you go through the whole process and they say you're not eligible, don't make nobody tell us that them can fix it for you or forgive them one little money for fix it for you. If you're not eligible, you're just not gonna be eligible. That's it. So I hope this did make little sense. I hope it helped out. So let me know in the comments. When you want to apply for the little free money, everybody forget it. Pandem page them say 260,000 Jamaicans successfully applied. I'm gonna get mine. Someone's gonna get phone or two. So yeah, I hope that helping out a little bit. And I gotta go because as you know, I'm there work and thing. My coffee done. I'm gonna look selfish for that. But yeah, if you don't watch the last video, I'm post, go watch it and skip the ads later. Guys, quick side note, you have to put in everything in the format where them say if you put it in. So like when you're going to put in your date of birth, if you look up at the top, it shows you the format where you're supposed to put it in. So you see year, Y, month, day. So if you're born April 4, 1998 like me, you have to put in the year first. 1998-04-04. So year, month, date. The TRN, them show you the format for put it in. The 3 number first, one like a -3 again, -3. So make sure if you do something and you see that says something not correct, make sure you're doing it in the right format. Alright, I'm going to get some.